How to reset your Sharp Aquos TV without a remote.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be discussing a quick and easy process to reset your Sharp Aquos TV, all without the use of a remote. This can be especially useful if your remote is missing or no longer functioning. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why reset your Sharp Aquos TV?
There could be several reasons why you might need to reset your TV. It could be due to software glitches, performance issues, or perhaps you're planning to give it away or sell it. Whatever the reason, a factory reset can help your TV return to its original settings, making it perform like new or ready for a new owner.
Find the TV's control buttons.
The first step in resetting your TV is to locate the control buttons on the TV itself. For most Sharp Aquos TVs, these are found on the back or bottom edge of the TV. You'll find a set of buttons including volume control, channel control, input selection, and a power button. The exact layout will depend on your model, so be sure to familiarize yourself with these controls.
Accessing the TV's menu.
Once you've located the buttons, power on your TV if it's not already on. Now press the Input or Menu button, depending on your model, to bring up the TV's menu on screen. Use the volume up and down buttons to navigate through the options.
Navigating to the factory reset option.
Now that you're in the menu, navigate to the Setup section and then find the Reset option. In some models, this might be under System Options or similar. This option will allow you to reset your TV to its factory settings.
Performing the factory reset.
After navigating to the Reset option, you'll want to press the Channel Up or Channel Down button to select it. The TV will likely ask for confirmation before proceeding. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to turn off and back on. After this process, your Sharp Aquos TV will be reset to factory settings. That's it. You've successfully reset your Sharp Aquos TV without a remote control. If you have followed these steps correctly, your TV should now be performing as good as new. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, it's always a good idea to consult the user manual or contact Sharp customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.